Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your country or region in the Pinterest app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Pinterest app, and then it opens up in the home menu with our feed. We have to go into the saved menu, and in the saved menu in the top right corner, if you tap on this cog, we can go into settings. Now, in the settings menu, we tap on account management, and in account management, we tap on personal information. In the personal information menu, we find country and region. If we tap on this, then we can edit the country or region that we are from. Let's say we change it to the United States, and then the app is going to save it. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.